If you want to update all the apps on your Android in a single click, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open up the Play Store on your Android device, and now you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll have to tap on manage apps and device. Now on this page you'll be able to find an option of updates available, and below it you'll be able to find two options. The first one is update all, the second one is see details. You'll have to tap on see details, and on the top right corner of the screen you'll be able to find an option of update all, and below it you will be able to find all the applications that can be updated right now. So in order to update all the applications in a single click, you'll have to tap on update all, and make sure that your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a data connection, so that your phone will be able to update all the applications, and in this way you can update all the applications in a single click. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.